Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can get this free simple intro for your video projects. Simply download the project file from the link in the description and open the file. And you can edit the logo name and color as you require. Now go to the logo and edit with any text you want. I am using the font Northern. It is also in the download file. And you can change the URL text too. You can see it is working well. Now we are going to change the color, so go to the logo comp, select the text, and go to Effects and Control Panel. And change the start color and end color as you require. Copy the effects. And paste it to the other layers, or you can choose different colors. Now it's done. And it's time to export the video. So, go to Composition, then, Add to Render Queue. Choose the Output module. And save it as intro. And render it. Now it's done. And here is your intro. Thanks for watching.